tools that we're going to use to remove and replace this electronic lock on this 2016 Volkswagen Golf are some trim tools. I'm going to use this impact with a 1/4-inch drive, a 3/8 ratchet, this M8, and this T20. One, two, three, 4. I'm going to take them screws out and we'll go to the next step. Now I've got the trim tool in there and got this popped back. We'll just keep working it like this. And boom, I got it all. So you take your M8 and you can get up in here, get this loosened up. Real easy. They're not in there very hard. You don't have to take this piece all the way off. You can just crack it. You can pull it down to get up in there. So once I got them loose, I can just get them out by hand. So here we got, there's our electronic tab that I was able to just pinch out. Came right off. I'll go ahead and grab the new one and connect it and put our M8 bolts in. Here we got our old electronic latch for this 2016 Volkswagen Golf. You can tell somebody had took some WD-40 and like sprayed it up in there, but it wasn't it that was failing, it was the electronic portion of it. Alright, it's time to test and see if it works. And it works. Simple as that. 4 screws, 2 screws to take it out. Super simple.